know if I want to get rid of it or not. Hi, welcome back. Tonight it's already pretty late. It's about 11 o'clock. We're going to work with the garage door open again. Gonna try to get the passenger side fender squared away and hopefully bolt up the pan that runs along the bottom, and then kind of mock fit the grill in there and see how that works. But got a new coffee maker, I make a cappuccino, so hoping this will help me keep me awake at least. That's my main objective, is the passenger side fender, getting it done, and putting the bottom pan in, maybe the grill. If get the grill in, then maybe the top pan, and then that should be everything on the front except for the hood, which I'm gonna have somebody come and help me place it. And after that, we need to find passenger side fender, or driver side, passenger side fender, and this piece that goes front of the bed. But it'll probably be another short video today, just mainly me working up here. So sorry for lack of content, but we're gonna try to get this done and out of here so we can bring the Bronco back. I'm ready to start working on it again. If you hear anything, we got cars passing by at all times tonight. Of course, dogs and coyotes and cats too. I don't know if you've noticed them in the last video, but they're darting in and out everywhere. But I'm gonna set you back on my tailgate and we'll get to work. There's what she looks like. I got the grill somewhat in there. Having a hard time with this because this little piece is just kind of bent all up. Needs to probably bend out a little bit more and go over this way. Sorry, allergies are acting up. And we gotta put some bolts on the inside, connect the grill to this fender. We got it connected here, and we can see down there. So it's not going anywhere. I mean, it'd work for a display piece like this. Like having the grill in it kind of brings the front to life, so to speak. I think I'm getting ahead of myself though, because this pan needs to go right here. So I'm gonna have to take that bolt back out, slip this pan over, and then I think got, there's 1, 2, and then this piece right here. I believe it's this piece right here. There goes something like that. And it looks like we're missing that piece in there, but it's in the cab, I believe. I brought it. It's somewhere because I seen it earlier. And then we're missing the kind of radiator support area here. It may be back there in the barn. Yeah, there's that piece. But anyway, this will have to come back out, and we'll have to put this back in, and right there, and then 2 bolts here, and then that piece in there will bolt up right here, and then the front will be almost taken care of. I don't know if I want to get rid of it or not. I think that'll do it for me this evening. Pretty excited how far we got. Especially if the fenders are bent or anything's bent up there, getting that grill in is a pretty hard task. Those fingers mashing that on, and it's sore now. But it's coming along pretty nice, I think. I think we're pretty good to have it out of here in a week or 2. Like I said, we'll finish the front up, and then we'll get the hood, put it on, look for the core support for the radiator for the front, and we'll keep looking for these 2 other pieces. I do have the glass. I'm not sure if he wants glass in it or if he's going to take it out, because he's going to repaint the whole thing. May just leave it out and give it with it. But still got quite a bit to do. Of course, the bed, putting the cross braces in there, and miscellaneous little things. But this is as much as it looked like a truck in a long time. Since 2007, so it'd be what, 14 years? But anyways, I think I'm gonna do a little pinstriping tonight. I might try my scrolling brush out. I'm still working on the other channel. As soon as I get some videos up, I'll put a link in the description. But until then, I'm just gonna keep practicing. But anyways, if you like what you see, I post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. It's gonna be about the truck until you get it moved out. Sorry, allergies are really getting me tonight. Get the truck moved out, and then we'll be bringing the Bronco back in. And I think we're looking pretty good to have this done here pretty quick. But anyways, thank you for watching me this far. Please like, comment, subscribe. It really does help the channel out. And I'll see you next time.